Lovely celebrant poured her heart and soul into making her 18th birthday unforgettable for her and for you guys. She even flew all the way to Taipei to give fans a stunning birthday photo shoot in which she's credited as the creative director, a true visionary indeed. From crafting invitations to designing her gown, Sophia did it all, of course, with the help of her family and her Sparkle family. And today, our mesmerizing debutant is well known for being one of Sparkle's shining homegrown talents. She has been with the network since 2014 and has since then starred in numerous hit GMA shows such as Prima Donnas, Raya Sirena, Love Is, and The Light. This 2024, she's embarking on a new role and cementing her versatility as an actress as she stars in the newest GMA show, Ang Prinsesa ng City Jail. Without further ado, let's all welcome the one.
Happy birthday to you. Are you together? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Ano mo si Kuya? Charot lang ka.
Kapatid ko po. Thank you po. Kami kapatid. Kailangan ko rin ako. Lalo na 18 na ako. Hindi ka naman exclusive. Hindi ko po ako barunan. Mainit pa po ako eh. So kailangan talaga ako rin ako.
So follow up lang. Since you have a new car, saan yung gusto mong puntahan?
Siguro po ngayon sa Tagaytay kasi dun yung taping ng Prinsesa ng City Jail. So, doon po ako unang pupunta definitely with my friend at all.
So aside from family, sino yung gusto mong panood?
Siyempre po pag sa family, si Aki. Sino pa ba? Si Aki lang.
Last question na lang. Since 18 ka na, meron ba sa bahay niyo na pwede mo nang gawin since gano'n?
Sa bahay? Wala naman po. Kasi ever since kami talaga ni Mami, like, wala naman yung pag kung gagawin, hindi ko pinag-iinit. Pinalaki niya po talaga ako na hindi yung spoiled na, kung gagawin niya, gusto hindi ko pinag-iinit. Pag gagawin niya, gusto hindi ko pinag-iinit. Talagang pinalaki niya po ako na magiging independent sa mga gawa.
Last question. Ano yung birthday wish mo since 18?
Birthday wish ko po. Actually, birthday wish ko to every year. Kasi I just wish for genuine happiness. Yung talagang walang negativity. Yung talagang happy lang ako. So I believe that when you're happy, it's like you're complete. You have everything as long as you're happy.
Thank you and happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Yes, Chad.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. RH from PB Manila. Okay, moving forward, again, let's now call on Mr. Chad Solis from Manila.
Outfit na. Hindi pa.
Hi Sophia! So, we are all excited do sa paparating mong debut. Usually, ang inaabangan yung yung susuotin kaya ni Sophia on that night. So, ilang costume changes kaya ang magaganap at sino-sino yung mga designer na gagawa ng gown?
Actually, yun nga po, dami lang nagtatanong, suot mo lang pala eh. Kasi parang they know me na talagang laging pa-andar sa mga outfit. Pero, actually po, all throughout the party, I won't be changing. It's just one outfit and then another outfit for the after party. And the reason behind it is, ayoko po yung parang, you're in the middle of the party, ay, kailangan na magpalit. Ayoko po yung parang may distraction sa akin. Kasi like, ang goal ko lang talaga mag-enjoy sa party. Ayoko yung parang, kailangan ko magpalit para po andar. Like, ginawa ko lang po talaga yung comfortable ako. Like, kung may hint po ako sa suot ko, it's really comfortable. And I didn't do it because I wanted to look so bongga. Like, ginawa ko siya kasi gusto ko maging comfortable the whole party. And of course, there's only one designer and my only designer, AJ Javier.
in terms of yung pagiging hands-on, ano yung mga nilagay mong inputs in terms of yung theme at saka yung sa design ng gown?
Well, actually po, super hands-on ako sa thought na nung una ko pong sinabi yung tropical Hawaiian, medyo naguguluhan ko po yung mga parang theme ng debut. Kasi parang, anong tropical Hawaiian? Like, gusto mo ba sa dagat ko rin? Like, gusto mo ba yung may parang grass skirt? Sabi ko, no. Parang it's like modern tropical Hawaiian. It's like formal. So, lahat po yung talagang dinetail ko. Then yung guest list, ako po mismo nag-RSVP noon with the help of Team Label. Like, lahat po na nagko-confirm sa akin, tinatype ko talaga. Then ako rin po nag-ayos ng table arrangements. Then yung music ng Roses, di ko po yung pinabayaan. Talagang every time may revision, pinapakinggan ko siya. Then lahat ng lineup, pinayos ko po talaga. Like, everything is basically me. Like, di ko po yung, ay na bahala, okay na yan. Like, even po the food, kami rin namili na, ito bagay to sa team.
Thank you, Sophia.
Thank you po.
Finally.
And thank you so much, Mr. Chatsolis from